In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google section available here. Then tap on All Services. Scroll again and choose Autofill with Google here. Now select Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password right away. If you can't see all of those options though, that means that you never added a password before. To add them manually from those settings, you need to have at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log in to any website or an app that requires an account and hit Save in the pop-up to save your password. It will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, hit Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or hit Select App and click on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!